Designed simply and ruggedly, the S18 has a hunger for clearing stumps. Remove the locking pins from the S18 and allow the hinge to go to work, providing a self-feeding action. Designed for smaller machines, the S18's direct flow hydraulic drive provides the best torque and RPM to the cutting head. The unique positioning of the rotor allows the operator an excellent view of the grinding action. At the end of the cutting arc, you only need to gently back away from the stump and let the S18 go at it again. The 24-inch tooth-filled rotor means that you need to do very little repositioning to blast stumps into dust without a lot of turf scuffing. S24 and S28. The added swing cylinder and needle valve give you precision control of the cutting operation. The generous arc also means less positioning when grinding for faster grinding and less turf disturbance. Matching your machine with the right motor from our numerous options means you get the power and performance you need. For your convenience, Baumalight includes QR codes on our machines to give you mobile access to online support materials such as user manuals and parts breakdowns. Baumalight, the right equipment. For more information, visit www.baumalight.com.